Gargoyle of the Gargoyles Den Diecast YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. Anyone that's familiar with his YouTube channel knows that Gargoyle isn't one to settle for building just one of anything. There's always a second or third or, in this case, 4 extra ones being built. I love these builds. The one at the top center there is definitely my favorite. I just love the looks of that shoebox with a front scoop and a turret on tracks. You gotta love it. Anyhow, he has his build video of these up on his channel. Be sure and go check it out. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. At least I'm gonna try to. If it's not there, be sure and check the video description. Look at the saw blades on what kind of looks like a sick Batmobile in a way down there at the bottom. Anyhow, be sure and check it out. Gargoyle, thanks for taking the challenge. Everybody, I hope you enjoy these videos. Stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.